Welcome back to Real Estate Insights. Today, we are excited to introduce you to a top residential project by Koltepatil Integrated Townships Limited, Life Republic Sector R22 Avenue Atmos Phase 1. Located in the heart of Hinjewadi, this project offers a lifestyle of luxury, comfort, and community spirit. Let's dive into the details of this amazing development. Life Republic Sector 22 Avenue Atmos Phase I is located in Hinjewadi, Pune's bustling IT hub. This prime location offers residents the best of both worlds, peaceful living and city convenience. Imagine waking up to beautiful views of greenery while being just minutes away from major tech parks, schools, shopping centers, and entertainment hubs. With easy access to the Pune-Mumbai Expressway and Mumbai-Bangalore Highway, traveling to other parts of the city is quick and easy. Hinjewadi's fast growth ensures that residents have all modern amenities. Life Republic Sector 22 Avenue, Atmos Phase I covers a large area of 16,361.78 square meters. The project has 21 floors and offers 4 types of apartments, 2 BHK and 3 BHK units. The apartment sizes range from 657 to 944 square feet, catering to different needs and preferences. The project is approved with an FSI of 55,215.6 square meters, ensuring plenty of space for comfortable living. The project is set to be completed by March 2027. Let's explore the range of apartments available. Life Republic Sector R22 Avenue, Atmos Phase I is not just about apartments, it's about a complete lifestyle. The project offers many amenities designed to enhance your living experience. From a modern gym and a refreshing swimming pool to beautiful gardens and dedicated children's play areas, there's something for everyone. The community-focused design ensures that residents can enjoy a close-knit neighborhood while having access to top facilities. Life Republic Sector R22 Avenue, Atmos Phase I has a Google review rating of 2.8. Let's hear from some residents who have already experienced life here. Their testimonials provide valuable insights into the project's strengths and areas for improvement. Koltepatil Integrated Townships Limited is a well-known name in the real estate industry, known for delivering quality and innovation. With many successful projects, they bring a wealth of experience to Life Republic Sector R22/22 ND Avenue, Atmos Phase I, ensuring top-notch construction and customer satisfaction. As of now, Life Republic Sector R22 Avenue, Atmos Phase I is progressing well towards its completion date of March 2027. Future development phases promise even more amenities and improvements, making it an even more attractive place to live. Investing in real estate requires transparency and compliance, and Life Republic Sector R22 Avenue, Atmos Phase I meets all legal and regulatory requirements. The project is registered under with RERA register number P521000511765, offering peace of mind to investors and home buyers alike. In Pune's dynamic real estate market, Life Republic Sector R22 Avenue, Atmos Phase I stands out as a top investment opportunity. Its prime location, superior amenities, and competitive pricing make it a highly sought-after project for those looking for comfort, convenience, and luxury living. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Real Estate Insight. Thanks for watching.